JDCamp26 here, just do tips and personal hobbies. How are you guys doing today? I hope you're doing very well, girls and guys. I got my iPhone here, okay, and it's a hard case, okay, and I want to soften up the edges on this. So what I did is I went online and I looked for something in silicone, and I found these silicone pads. They're kind of soft, you know, and everything, and I'm gonna put them on the edge the way I hold it. So I usually hold it like that, you know, when I'm looking at it. So I'll be right back and I'll show you with them. Okay, so we're back, and I put on the edges here the silicone stripe right here on that edge and that edge, and I put one on the back. Sometimes they go like this, and hold it on the back. It provides some comfort to the phone, you know, and I got the clear ones. You can get them in also black, and they weren't that much. I'll put the link in the description below for you guys and girls, and that may help your phone if you have a hard case. Feels a little bit better, you know, and let me tell you, you get a bunch of them, you know, with this kit. You get a bunch. I mean, all that, you know, there's like, and then you can cut them. There's big ones, there's little ones. You know, there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So you get 11 of these, and you can cut them. You can wrap a whole phone. There's one, you can wrap a whole phone, you know. So I want to show you that because my case really makes my hands sore, you know. It's kind of hard. I could have got a silicone one. My wife has a silicone one. Oh, it's soft. It's soft as like a baby's bottom. Her phone case. I didn't get one because, you know, we use MagSafe. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. God bless you. We'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.